Today was our first international course with the injection molding technique. It was a great success. We had 19 delegates.
Everyone smashed it today. I think it was probably like one of our best groups. The course is designed for someone who wants to get a bit more comfortable with composite bonding.
It was about injectable veneers, which is very trendy now. Everyone wants to have a nicer smile, more natural, whiter, and it delivers 100%. Now I feel more confident to deliver that to my patient.
I came to this course today just to upskill my composite skill. I learned a lot about the injectable molding technique. Dr. Andrew and Dr. Khalil did an incredible job. They're very engaging, showed us a lot of tips and tricks, which is nice, and I'm really excited to apply it into my daily general practice. So I definitely recommend this course for any general dentists or even new graduates who want to upskill their composite game.
So we're getting a lot of demands for spontaneous change in the smile, which this course basically covered everything you can give to the patients. We learned a lot, which hopefully we can bring to our clinic.
If you're having challenges when you have big composite bonding cases come into the door and you just don't know where to start, or you have some difficulties, then this course is perfect for you. It's an A to Z of everything to do with injection molding.